Hello, and welcome to QRE, the channel where we meet your needs for reviews, entertainment, and just laughter. So make sure you guys stay tuned for upcoming videos. What's up, guys? Sorry, I was being a little goofy. I got a tactical pen here. It is a Moikin 10-inch tactical multi-tool and tool card for men. So I guess let's see what we got here, guys. Here's the little card. Card's got wrench, bottle opener, I want to say string, something to do with fishing line or string or something like that. Another wrench, eyelet, card. You got yourself a can opener right here. You got yourself a little saw right here. You got yourself a little straight blade right here. Solid metal, so it's not going to bend unless you do something pretty horrific to it. Pretty cool little deal. Oh, and there's a screwdriver. I didn't even see that on the corner. Right there. Flathead. So there's that. Got ourselves a little travel pouch. So this thing's got all kinds of little gizmos. And is there anything underneath? There is nothing underneath. Alright. We can go ahead and put that right back. Okay, so let's start out here. We have the pen. This I do not believe is an actual pen. And there's the actual pen. I stand corrected. What? That unscrews. Oh, that unscrews. Alright, alright. So right off the get-go, you got yourself a window breaker on the tip of this pen. And after you unscrew it and pull it apart, there's a actual pen on the inside. Just like that. You got yourself your flashlight. Oh man, it comes with replacement batteries too? Well, that's sweet. So it takes two. I'll show you the actual battery here in just a second. But it's got a little gold button on the bottom that you can push and you get yourself a little flashlight. I mean, that's pretty cool. Pretty bright. And right here, I wish this had a piece of paper or something with it that had info on what I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna call it a seatbelt cutter slash line cutter slash fish gutter slash, you could probably make it work for de-skinning something. I mean, you can make anything work, put your mind to it. And then it's got your belt clip. And then it's got all these attachments, which I'm assuming go in this part. We have, let's see, if I can get it out. Alright, we're taking this stupid thing out. Huh. There's two extra batteries Or actually, there might be 4. Oh, snap! It's a 3-pack. There's 2 extra 3-packs in there. Well, that's what's up. Let's put some tools together, guys. Alright, tool number 1. It's not a can opener. Got a little flat head. Got a little sharp part right here. With some kind of hook. Oh, I bet you it's to wrap string for like fishing or something like that, or possibly even just putting the hook on a fishing line. But that's pretty cool. I'm shocked that this don't have any information with it. Yeah, that's weird. So there's that tool. I think this is a magnesium stick. What are these? Just stabbers? Oh, those are replacement pens. Yo, that's gangster. And like I said, this is a magnesium. You can almost guarantee it. Oh yeah, she magging. She magging. Magnesiums. So you got yourself a little fire starter. Then here, you got a little whistle. These just set in there. Oh, they do. Well, that's a pretty genius setup right there. They put the groove for it to slide down into the base. So when you put it in there, it's firm, like you can't twist it. And it's obviously magnetized as well, because it ain't coming out. There's a Phillips and a flathead. That is quite nifty. So my question is, where are you supposed to put all of it? I mean, I guess the travel bag. This is a pretty nifty little thing, man. Yeah. So I feel like we should probably just leave one of these in here. That's pretty cool. You can screw it on over one of them. So 6-in-1, or 6-in-1, or is it 10? 10-in-1 tactical survival pen. It's got quite a bit of stuff in it for 15 bucks. You got a little flashlight. You can do a little midnight journaling if you're a journaler. Or you can start yourself a fire on a cold night. Or you can fix something that needs to be re-screwed together. Or you can do whatever you want to do with this thing. I'm not 100% for sure. If you guys know exactly what this is made for, go ahead and comment down in the comments below. Because, I mean, it looks like a can opener, but it's clearly not. And it's got like a little Phillips attachment on the top of it. And then it's got this blade in the middle on the back side. To me, it makes me think like it's something for string or fishing line or something along those lines. And then it comes with 2 backups on top of the one that's in there. Ink cartridges. And it comes with 2 stacks of 3 batteries. I'm assuming the pen takes 3 at a time. So it comes with 2 backups, and it has the one inside. Yep, the whole little pack just sits in there. So yeah, That's pretty nifty. There we go. Alright. So, it's a pretty nifty little pen, man. If you guys are looking for something for travel that you can write with and do multiple things with, it's got your number. It is made in China, but it's not bad quality. I mean, the bulb on the flashlight's a little crooked. Ooh, big deal. But besides that, I mean, you could definitely put use to this thing in many, many situations. If you guys have any questions about this guy right here, unfortunately, it's a Moikin, M-O-I-K-I-N, 10-in-1 tactical plus survival tool, and tool card for men. So this is a great gift for guys. I mean, I'd keep this in my car for a bad situation. I'd put it in my hiking or camping stuff as well. So you never know when you might need some of this stuff, and it don't take up a bunch of room. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, so with that being said, you guys have a wonderful evening and a safe new year. And thank you for coming. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night, guys.